The desk I got from Amazon, L-shaped desk, and it gives you a good amount of space as well. It's also very sturdy. I was super surprised by the quality of the desk whenever it arrived. The chair I got was from Wayfair. I do work from home at least one day a week, at least pre-COVID. Now I've been working from home every single day, obviously, and I needed it to be comfortable. This chair is super, super, super comfortable. I'm very happy with it. I sit in it like all day long, so I'm very happy with that purchase. Quick FYI in case you're interested, that's my daughter Juicy. She's in her little donut bed. She likes to either be there in the morning, and then she moves over to her chase lounge in the afternoon typically. I have blankets on there for her normally, but you know, for the purpose of a more aesthetic video, I took that away just so you guys could see her cute little chase lounge. Also, she is a little bit of a senior dog, so she can't see as well as she used to. So that's why I have bubble wrap around the legs of my desk, because she does tend to bump into them, and I want it to be a little bit more soft and cushiony. It's not the cutest thing, but you know, you do what you have to for your children, right? My waste paper basket is from the Container Store. And that is a really nice shredder that we bought from, I think, Nebraska Furniture Mart, and it cuts it up into like the little tiny pieces, so I really like that. And also I have it pressed up against her chase lounge so that she doesn't fall off the edge of it, because she loves to lay on the very edge of all the furniture. So anyways, I do have two monitors. However, this monitor, I really like it. It's by HP and it moves up and down, so depending on the height that you want it. I'm very grateful that my work actually provided that for me. And then that's my work laptop. One more thing they provided me was a headset. I've had it, usually it's at my desk over in the office, but I took it with me. It does have a charging stand. I want to go back to the office and get it eventually, but I really like this headset. It makes for just a really good like sound quality when you're on conference calls, which makes up probably 80% of my day. It's rechargeable. I like that it's also wireless. It connects via Bluetooth. And yeah, I just really, really like this headset. I would definitely recommend buying it if, you know, you're needing a headset, even if, you know, you end up having to shell it out yourself and your work doesn't provide it to you. I really think it's a high quality headset. This other monitor, you're probably wondering, that is my home PC. So I'm actually in the middle of switching over like my personal stuff from PC to a Mac. I'm just in the process of switching things over, which is why I have like my old tower down there, subwoofer box, and hella crazy wires. So whenever I'm done finally switching everything over, these two things will no longer be there. So I will probably shift that over and that over. That's kind of my idea, but for now this is what it looks like. This is a hotspot. My work provided that to me as well. It's really good for travel and handy sometimes when Wi-Fi gets a little spotty at my house, because, you know, whatever reason, I can switch to that instead, but then that also gets spotty every now and then. So at least I have a couple of options. And this is funny. So this is just a little desk plaque. Mike made this for me. So cute. I'm an honest accountant, which I am. So just FYI, but I thought that was cute. And then this I got, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, I think I got this from HomeSense when we were in England. Come on, let's be honest. I didn't want to be rude and bring it to work. A little TMI, but you know, let's be honest. I'd rather be with my dog. So now I'm here with her. Typically during the day, I am just using this section here. So I'm, you know, kind of pointed this way. This is my cloth and paper agenda cover, and then the inserts as well are cloth and paper. I love her. Been using this for I think at least 2 years now, and I absolutely love it. Obviously the aesthetic is so me, and then the inserts themselves are very like minimal. Next up I have this like rose gold phone holder. Got it from Amazon. If you watched my work from home so silly. If you watched my day in the life, I did not have this full setup yet. I only had like my laptop and my monitor, and I had said in that video, you know, it's fine. I don't really think I need an external mouse or keyboard. Turns out I did, and I'm so glad I got it like right after I watched Sarah Marie's like office setup video, and she had shared this and she shared this as well. So shout out to Sarah, thank you for your recommendation, and I legitimately am so glad I got it. Also, I wasn't expecting to be home for so long. It folds down to this, and then it has these rubber grippies, as you can see, so it keeps it in place, and then you can adjust the height. It's not the greatest quality, like it feels flimsy, but it has worked very well for me, and I like the sleek design of it. I also like that I have a 10 key pad, because I do have like, you know, a regular, like this type of keyboard is a little bit more robust. At my desk at work, this is a good alternative as well. And then of course a mouse. And then this mat I got from Amazon. These are sticky notes that I got from Cloth and Paper, and like, what did I tell you guys? Her aesthetic is just, it just speaks to me. I love it. The only gripe that I have is the stickiness. Like you can feel it here at the top, you know, from the one that was above it. That's my only gripe, but otherwise, you know, aesthetically it's very nice, and otherwise it works very well. I have my tablet there because I normally have our security camera system set up and I have it on all day long, so I can see everything going on out there, okay? A little paperweight from my university. I've had that fortune. It says, "It matters not what road we take, but rather what we become on the journey." And I've literally had that for 7-8 years at the Big Four, and we had ordered food in while we were working, and I don't know, something about that just stuck with me, so I've had it literally stuck there for years. You guys know me, I always talk about being on a journey. So and this here is my blue light blocking glasses. Plate from Kate Spade, and I just put little knick-knackies on there like my paper clips. This is a 9-che keychain. It's made out of wood. I got this while I was in the Netherlands, in Utrecht, and I'm wanting to put it here, but I have a hard time putting, like, you know, these ring thingies on there, so I have to ask Mike to do it. So anyways, that was a really sweet gift from Chewy.com because we are loyal customers to them. That's where we get Juicy's food and insulin from, so they sent that during Christmas, which I'm so grateful for. And then Mike got me this little carved figurine of Juicy a few years ago for Christmas. That does not match my aesthetic, so that's why I have that. If you are an Office fan, you know why that's there. And actually Mike got me all of my Office type knick-knackies, which I really appreciate too. What I use in here, I just use it to carry like my lotion, my lip balm, hair ties, things like that. Because this desk is minimal and doesn't have drawers, I need a spot to put that, so I figured I'd just put it there. And then I've had this mug for forever. Gotta have some accounting jokes, you know? And then of course a cute little picture of Juicy. This ruler we got from Z Gallery. Solid State Drive by Samsung. I like it. It's so small and, you know, like compact, so I just use it when I'm editing like my YouTube videos. This hardcover case for the MacBook Pro 13-inch got from Amazon as well. This little board, wire board thing I got from IKEA, and this stuff up here is by no means done. I've gotten postcards from y'all and different letters from y'all over time in my P.O. box. So that's what I like to put here. I had it on a bulletin board in my old office and I just have to unpack them and stick them up here. This is kind of like my inspo wall. And y'all inspire me. A perpetual calendar. So these things move and you can just constantly, you know, change it on the day, which I love. So I got this from a local kind of home decor store called Roanoke Trading Company. They do have a website now, so you guys can take a look at that if you are interested. I love it though because like it's like legit, it's metal. It's really great quality and I'm very happy with that. It's very unique too. And then of course, we found this at home and I love it because, you know, I say that all the time. I have the picture ledge I had talked to you guys about over on Instagram. It's actually 2 picture ledges that we had to put together. Like if you can see it there, but you know, like at a glance you can't really tell too much. I stuck a few things up there. I'm gonna fix it over time. And I'll share that when I do like my full office tour. It's my CPA license I never got framed, so I will get that framed and I'm gonna have it up there. Talk about it more, you know, during my home office tour. But what I was telling you guys, all of my office stuff Mike got me. All right, so that is my current desk setup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it gave you a few ideas. If you're excited about a full home office tour, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you like seeing these like home progress videos as well. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to give it a like, and thank y'all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay positive, and we'll see y'all in our next video.